Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to the 10-step tutorial. This tutorial will be the last about the 1 to 10 step series, because the moves above the 10 step don't really exist. I mean, you can do them if you want, you can create them, but they are not really moves that I ever heard of. But at the end of this tutorial, I also want to show you a few examples on how to create moves that has more than 10 steps. There is just one main way to do the 10 step, but I will also show you a few variations. Oh, and if you haven't seen the previous tutorials that I made, check them out, links in the description. As usual, we're gonna start from the position 0, spinning clockwise, and starting with the left hand going to a hook. 0, 1, 2, going forward with the right leg, 3, going backwards with the left leg, and then going backwards with the right leg. Again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, this position here. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, going forward with the right. 7, going forward with the left. 8, going forward again with the right. 9, hook. And 10, going back to the position 0. Once again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also in this tutorial, like in the previous tutorial about the 9 step and also the 8 step and maybe a little bit of the 7 step, the steps should be small, because if you do them too wide, then you're gonna start spinning around. Instead, you always wanna face one direction. But if you wanna do some variations, you can even start spinning around. It's up to you. But the main way to do it is always facing the front. Don't do the steps too wide, kinda like that. You see that I start spinning because I move too wide, so the steps should be small. One last time slow, and then I'm gonna show it faster. Before to show you some variations, I want to remind you to practice each footwork step in both sides. In these tutorials I'm showing you each step on only one side, but the best would be to practice them in both ways. Now, as I told you before, I will not make videos anymore about like the 11 step, 12 step and so on. I think it doesn't make sense to add too many steps in a round because it will be so full, each step will be so little. I don't even know if it will look nice, but we can try. And I never tried before to add more steps in a 10 step, so make it like a 11 step or more, but I'm gonna try now with you. The concept is very easy. Once you learn the 10 step, you just have to add one more step. So for example, let's try to do 11 step. I will just add one more step into the 10 step. I never tried before, I'm gonna try for the first time with you right now. 1, 2, 3. Now this is the step number 3, but in the 10th step this will be the step number 2 because I will do 1 and 2. So actually I already added one more step. 1, 2, 3, and then from here I will just continue normally with a 10 step. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In this way I just created the 11th step. If I want to create like, I don't know, let's say 13 steps, let's try to add 2 more steps. And also I didn't try this before, I will just try it with you. So let's try like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no, 9, 10, no, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Maybe, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, it's 13. So as I did now, I didn't really know what I was doing. I just tried randomly and I created 2 more steps. The 11th step and the 13th step. If you want to create even more, just try to add even more steps. I don't know if it really makes sense, maybe, but yeah, as you want. If you want, send me on my Instagram at Kaio your clips where you try the 10th step or variations of the 10th step, and I will use your clips in my next tutorial. That will be about footwork patterns, and the tutorial will be next Friday as usual. And if you want, also check out my merch. Links in the description. And see you next Friday. Yo ninja!